welcome back to the shop. It's a pretty late night out here tonight. Just trying to clear my head of a few things, and time got away from me. But I got a quick little project here. We still got the Bronco there, which I've done some more work on that. But we're not going to talk about the Bronco in this episode. We're going to talk about this little guy. So stay tuned. So we got some dirt bikes for the kids there. I don't know, back in February, and they've been hammering on them pretty good. And a buddy of mine hit me up, said he had a 1979 JR50 Suzuki that he had for his kid, and he didn't have a whole lot of interest in riding it. So he was going to get it running and just ride it around, or I don't know. But anyways, long story short, he couldn't get it running, and since his son didn't have a whole lot of interest in it, he didn't really need it anymore. So he asked me if I wanted it, and I said, good God, I don't need another project, but price was right. So he dropped it off, and this is what we got. So I didn't shoot anything before we did this, but I just did a bunch of powder coating. I still have a bunch more to do, but I just finished the frame up tonight, which was a chore to fit in my oven. But I just kind of wanted to throw it together quick and figured I'd introduce this project. But yeah, so it's just kind of mocked up here. I did a bunch of stuff in chrome because if it ain't fast, chrome it. And this is Illusion Royal by Prismatic on the frame and the swing arm, and the bar there for the pegs. I'm going to just paint the motor probably gloss black. I actually don't have to split the cases on this, which is unheard of for any two-stroke that I've ever owned. And, you know, gloss black on the triple trees. It had a bent fork tube, so rather than try and straighten it for like $150, or I don't even think it was quite that much, I got some brand new COVID rear shocks and some brand new COVID forks. I don't know when they'll be here, but they'll be here at some point in time. So I got those coming. Top end, I'm gonna try and have my motor guy bore that for me if he can bore one that small. If he can't, then she's just gonna get a quick hone job and a stock bore piston. But we did the mag cover, chain cover, you know, chrome. Again, like I say, if it ain't fast, chrome it. We powder coated that. I just soda blasted the wheels, which they cleaned up pretty well. Sand the tank down and paint that. I ordered new front and rear fenders for it. I got a new number plate. You can't get the original, I believe it was 78 to 80 something small side panels, and it's missing this side, but it has this one, which is in rough shape, but you can't get those. So I got the newer style. They should still fit, which, like an idiot, I'll probably end up welding on my freshly powder coated frame, but whatever. I'd never do anything the smart way anyways, but that's that. Oh, I got the exhaust. Let me stop here for a second. I'll throw the exhaust on it so you guys can get the full effect. So there, now y'all got the full effect with the old fancy exhaust. It doesn't have the muffler piece onto it, which they're still available brand new from Suzuki, but you better be sitting down when you see the price on that. So we're just gonna go sans muffler. It's a 50cc two-stroke. I mean, it can't be that freaking loud anyways, but you know, like I said, chrome. This is that show chrome by Prismatic, and I think I overcooked the clear because it's got a slight brown tinge to it, but you know, if I was a professional powder coater, I don't know what I would do, but I wouldn't have brown chrome. But anyways, the jug, the cylinder there, we'll just paint that black. And I just, like I said, I just want to throw it together to kind of get an idea what she's gonna look like. And I got a fancy brand new blue seat for it, which I was gonna powder coat the seat pan. However, ran into a slight issue and I burnt the motor of my dad's air compressor up using his sandblaster. So, you know, just my luck lately. But like I say, I can't put the forks on because the one's bent, and I'm not fighting them through freshly powder coated triple trees to just take them out again. But that's where we're at. So this is 1979 JR50. Gonna do the mod where you push the lever down, and that's like the normal gear that it runs in. And if you do a little mod to the inside there, which there's other videos on that, maybe I'll show one on it too, I don't know. But there's another mod where the lever will click up and you have a slower gear. So anyways, stay tuned for a little bit more on this. But like I said, I just wanted to throw it together to kind of get an idea. If I think about it, I'll throw a picture that I have of it before I started. I can throw that picture in here if I can figure it out, which no promises, but I will try. But anyways, big thank you to all my subscribers, and thanks to everybody that watches my boring videos, and you know, just a huge amount of appreciation. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.